If you've got a vintage military vehicle, you know the data plates are a big deal. They're a piece of history. Serial numbers, specs, manufacturing info, all right there on a little stamped metal plate. But after 70 plus years, those plates can look pretty rough. Today I'm going to show you how I brought the data plates back to life on my 1952 Willys M38A1 using a product you may already have in your garage. So here's what we're working with. The black paint background on these plates is hazy, dull, and grimy. The lettering is still there, but the contrast is gone. Now before I go any further, I want to point something out. Take a look at the rivets. On an original M38A1, the data plate rivets should be brass. These appear to be aluminum, and that tells me there's a good chance that a previous owner swapped out these plates sometime during a restoration in the past. This Jeep has some history before it got to me, so these may not be the original plates, but I'm noting it for the record and I'll dig into it more down the road. But either way, they're what's on the Jeep now, and they deserve to look presentable. The product I'm using is Meguiar's Scratch X. This is typically marketed as a paint scratch remover for cars, but it's a fine abrasive polish. That's exactly what these plates need. It's gentle enough that it won't damage the finish, but it has just enough cutting power to clear away the oxidation and haze sitting on top of the black background. The application is simple, a small amount of Scratch X on a clean towel. You don't really need much, just work it in the plate in small circular motions. You're not scrubbing hard, you're letting the product do the work. You'll see it go slightly gray as it lifts the oxidation off the surface. Buff it off with a clean section of the cloth and then take a look. That hazy washed out background starts coming back to a rich, deep black. The stamped lettering pops, the contrast returns. I went over the plates 2 or 3 times, buffing clean between each one until I was happy with the results. The whole job maybe took 15 to 20 minutes. So here's the before and after again, night and day. The plates are still as found. I didn't repaint anything, but now they're clean and legible. The black background is rich and dark. They look correct for the Jeep. Whether they're original or not, at least they look the part. For a product that only cost a few bucks at an auto parts store, the results are hard to argue with. So if you've got a military vehicle, a vintage truck, or anything with old data plates that have gone dull, give this product a shot before you reach for the rattle can. You might be surprised what's still under all that haze. And if you've got a different method, drop in the comments. I'd love to hear from anyone who's dealt with this before. So like and subscribe if this video helped you or you want to see more about M38A1s. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the garage.